Welcome to North Metro TV News, and thank you for joining us. I'm Rusty Ray. First up today, a victory of sorts for a small city against Anoka County. Circle Pines took its case against the County Board of Commissioners about appointments to the Rice Creek Watershed Board all the way to the state Supreme Court. The court ruled that the county did not follow state statute and sent the case back to district court. In its arguments before the Minnesota Supreme Court in January, the city of Circle Pines argued that Anoka County leaders were wrong to ignore a list of nominees to take a seat on the Rice Creek Watershed Board of Managers. Instead of picking from the list of nominees, as the city alleges the county is bound by state law to do, the county board instead reappointed Patricia Priner of Columbus to her seat. Circle Pines and other cities hope that members of the board would have more broad representation of the watershed district itself.
Cities need to have a role, a bit of a connection to their watershed districts. And this kind of a ruling that puts cities back into the mix at least a little bit, I think that's a good thing for citizens.
The Supreme Court decided to reverse the district court's opinion that the county was within state law when it selected Priner and sent it back to the lower court to reconsider. A statement from Anoka County Attorney Tony Palumbo seemed to offer a look ahead. Among other comments, he said, quote, "Cities and counties all benefit from this clearer guidance."
You got to remember, a watershed district is an important part of a community. It helps keep our water clean. We get all those things. They have important jobs to do. It's just that here in the United States, we have this funny thing about representation and taxation. And so we're glad to have more of a seat at the table as we kind of put together a watershed board that then represents all of us.
Priner's term is up at the end of this year, and it's not clear when the case may go back before a district court.
Circle Pines is very happy with the situation so far. There's more steps to come and all that, but it looks like it was a good day for Circle Pines.
We've reached out to the administrator of the Rice Creek Watershed District but have not heard back. This decision also does not impact the nomination process for Watershed Manager Steve Wagamon, whom the county board appointed late last year, despite a list of nominees that several cities joined together to submit.